Hi guys, we're going to Japan.
Welcome to Nagoya! Hi guys, this is Mommy Shane, and in this vlog series, Tasha and I are coming to Nagoya, Japan. Just the two of us. First time ko tong gagawin na walang ibang kasamang adult. I know it's going to be very challenging na kaming dalawa lang, but I am sure it's going to be so much fun. We're going to...
We're going to Japan.
So, ayun nga guys, pupunta kaming Nagoya. Kaming dalawa lang. Tapos, nag-advance booking ako sa Grab para ihatid kami dito sa airport. Nag-book ako kahapon ng Grab ng advance booking. Tapos, schedule ko siya ng 3 a.m. Dumating yung Grab 2:50 a.m. Tapos ito, wala pang ilang minuto. Alam mo yung feeling na masusuka na siya, gano'n. Naka-ready na yung supot ko, ganyan. Tapos yung driver din, may supot din daw siya. As in, alam niyo yung papunta na kami doon sa rampa, papuntang NAIA Terminal 3. Na yung rampa na mismo, ha? Na ano pa siya, doon pa talaga. After namin i-check-in yung baggage, kumain muna kami sa McDo, doon sa taas. Sa immigration naman, doon din kami pinadaan sa special lane, sa may mga senior at mga bata. Tapos ang tinanong lang sa akin kung nag-work sa government, yun lang. Security check, doon ulit kami sa may mga wheelchair area kasi may dala kaming stroller. Tapos, andito na kami ngayon sa boarding gate. 1:05 yun nasa boarding pass pero 1:04 yun nasa screen. So, dito na kami. Balikan ko kayo mamaya kung ano mangyari dito, kung makakatulog ba
I'm going there, bye-bye.
Bye. Nung March na may fuel, ano ba yan? Yung nag-increase yung mga fuel. Nakuha ko pa to ng mga 4K each. So, kami dalawa, nasa 8,000 something lang. Pero wala pa baggage yun. Nag-add na lang kami ng isang 20 kilos na round trip.
No, I see myself here. Look, look.
Don't drop it, Asha, ha? Okay. So, yan. Hyper siya. Hindi pa yung natutulog. Anong oras na? 5:38. Ang boarding time ay 6:35 na naman ata. Parang ganun din yung sa Korea namin. Okay.
Hello. We're going to Japan.
Thank you for waiting. Your China Flight CA180 bound to Beijing is now requesting all remaining passengers to board the aircraft now to gate 107. Once again, Air China Flight CA180. Bring it to Ate in red.
So first, do I get the Coke?
That you want, and then bring it to the Ate.
I want Coke Zero.
Okay.
Well, meron Pepsi. Pag meron, kaya get ng Pepsi na lang. Okay. I'm going ng Coca-Cola. Saan kayo ko? Dito. I think dito. Oo niya. Dito niya. Coke.
Thank you.
Final call for boarding for the last Taipei bound passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 5J312. This is our final call to board the aircraft for gate 112.
I got the change.
I told you you can do it on your own.
I got the gold. I get the change.
Very good.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
How much is it? This is how you know how much you paid. 70 pesos. And then your change is 100 minus 70 is what?
Huh?
It's 30.
Good drink now. Good drink.
Okay.
I was just showing you the
talk to
code.
ate?
Yeah.
What
Only a little.
What did you say?
Coke.
Just that.
Cookie. I just saw the other fridge and I didn't see the Coke, but now I saw it.
Okay.
I was just looking around the shelves and then see a fridge.
Okay. Ready? Go. So, paglabas namin doon sa baggage, nakalimutan ko pa tong stroller namin. Careful dito. Kasi, yan. It's heavy, ah. Can you do it? It's a little heavy. Dahan-dahan lang. Slowly lang. Two hands.
Kasi yung the first.
It's so heavy. Yeah, it looks scary. Wait, your feet and the wheels. now it's smooth. Oh, here's the... Okay, paano tayo bababa? Kain muna tayo. Oh, Family Mart.
Where is your family mart?
It is... Ay, Lawson pala. I was wrong.
Lawson.
Huh?
It's Lawson.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna turn right, okay? We're gonna turn right.
Go.
I'm gonna eat lang. Ano ba meron dito? Or sa baba pa yon? Wait lang ah. I'm not sure what's here kasi maybe we have to go down. Sa second floor tayo. Second, here.
はい、お待ちください。
Hi, one tonkotsu ramen.
ワン、豚骨
Tonkotsu.
ラーメン。
This one. Ah, this one.
豚骨ラーメン、どうした。はい。
And one karage.
唐揚げ、はい。お、一、はい。
And one
ワンライス。オッケー。
スモール
スモール。オッケー。じゃあ、豚骨ラーメンがお一つ、唐揚げがお一つ、スモールライスがお一つ。
You have water.
ウォーターじゃあ、あっち。
Okay.
オッケー。Thank you。じゃあ、こちらになりますね。
1, 5. Huh? Yeah, I can connect. Huh? Yes, I know. It's so cool. Diba?
Yeah, but look inside.
Diyan ako bumili guys sa Fujiyama. Ayan na. So, ito yung order namin. Tonkotsu ramen, karage, and rice. So, ito sa'yo, baby. Put your rice there. And here's your chicken. Do you want me to slice it? Okay. Masarap to guys. Karage. I will put the ulam here, ha? Sige. Tikman natin yung sabaw.
What does it taste like?
Sarap.
Trace with our stuff. How much did the diamonds sell for again? 33 each. Wait, that's pretty good. Okay, I wonder if I could do
I like
this.
things
This is
with
kind
your
of like
people.
cheating a little bit, but like we've all
I
been
like
thinking
things with
it.
your teams. I'm such a pro and basketball.
Wow.
That's also my favorite.
I'm just gonna hold it out a little bit, and maybe we can sell some of these because you know we don't need all these diamonds. These are just like I think we might be able to make
Ay. Try mo lang. Oh, sige, chicken. I'll give you noodles if you want. Gusto mo? Lagay ko dito yung mga chicken. O, try mo. Oh, guys, simot, oh. Sobrang sarap, oh. Sobrang gutom lang ako. Basta masarap. Ito, tinan nyo yung tira-tira niya. Oh. Ayaw niya kainin. Tiniran ko din siya nito. Ayaw niya. Ito, yan. Pumapak lang siya konti nito. Sayang. Sino pa nga ba ang kakain yan kundi ako? Sabi pa ng rice. Oh, sana hindi ko na lang binala ng rice. Minsan kasi ang hirap din niya pakainin talaga. Hindi, actually, hindi lang minsan. Lagi mahirap. Sarap pa naman ito. Tignan natin nga. Yung binili namin, ano siya? 1,510 yen. Oh, 571. Oh, tapos ayaw kainin. Oh, man. Eh? I'm done na. After try ko na ipa-take out to.
Let's go!
Wait lang. Iniwan namin dun guys yung baggage sa stroller namin. You have to remove your shoes if you're going to slide. Okay? Do you wanna go up the plane first? Ay, hindi pala pwede. I don't know. Come, you wanna go to... Oh yeah, tara. Yeah. Wow. Careful. Wow. So this is what it looks like.
I thought it was long.
Okay. One, two, three, spin.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Mga engine.
Ah,
Oh, pwede ka sit, oh. Pipicture lang kita.
pwede?
Smile. Okay.
Daddy.
Oh, play ka na.
What is this now? Now what
Play
is
area.
this? Can I even
Ah,
go,
pwede mag-shoes dito if you want.
can I go inside?
Huh? Yeah.
Tell me when to come
I'll
back.
just be here.
Well, wait, I want to try the...
Gusto mo akin ng earphones mo? Baka masira eh.
Can I try the rock wall?
Ha?
This is more taller. And the rock wall.
Yeah, pwede. Careful. Oopsie. Meron din sila nung gano'n, no? Yung parang sa Korea. Yeah. Careful. Cute. Hi. There's a ladder, Tasha.
Tama kaya.
You wanna ride that one? The bike? Can you do that? What if you let go? Try mo daw. Go, careful ah. Put your feet like this, lock, hold your hand ganyan, tapos yung feet nakaganon. Sakit? You wanna try again? Ooh! Haba nito guys. Buti may calculator. Ito yun. Ito yung reserved seat namin. 11A, 11B. Car 1.
Okay. Connect me to the
Oo, there's wifi here. Oh.
to this.
Ah, dyan. Sige. May wifi
ご
dito
案内いたし
guys.
ます。この列車は電車特別車ニュースカイ名鉄名古屋行きです。停車駅は神宮前金山です。座席はすべて指定です。後ろから1号車、2号車の順で一番前が4号車です。ミュンチケットの
This is the Mu Sky bound for Meitetsu Nagoya. We will be stopping at Jingumae and Kanayama. Besides a railway ticket, a first-class car ticket is required for travel on this train.
Ayun yung bagahe namin guys. Stroller. Hindi ko natutupi. Inaandar na. Ayan. Ito na yun. Tulog siya. Oh.
は駅係員までお知らせください。次は神宮前です。
Thank you for using the Meitetsu train. This is the Mu Sky bound for Meitetsu Nagoya. If you find any suspicious articles in the station, please notify the train crew or station staff. The next stop is Jingumae.
谢各位乘坐普除普通车票以外，还需一等车车票。如在车站或车厢里发现可疑物品，请
We finally made it! Yo! We survived the day!
How?
Wow. Oh, you remove your shoes. Remove it.
Why?
Because it's dirty. How do we open the... Oh.
What do you mean? How do we open the light and then you said, oh! Hey, mommy, come here. Can I just stay here na lang on this side?
Yeah.
This bed? Because there's like a charger.
Yes. You wanna eat na?
Oh, meron ba ref here?
Hmm?
Meron ba ref?
Yeah, under that.
Under what? The TV?
Yes.
I can't open it. How? It might melt to it.
Wait.
It might melt. Mom, I still have the card.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. Oh, is that the restroom? Oh. How do they even make rooms? How do they make the door?
Oh, Lord. Lordy. It's so hard. It's dripping.
Hardy.
Open mo na.
No.
Where's the aircon?
I thought they opened this. But where's, saan yung ref niya? Saan niya, mommy?
On.
Saan din yung ref?
To the pet store.
Ba't
and
dati
get
ba
ourselves
Tagalog
a
yan?
dog. Where are they? Oh,
Yeah.
there they are. Hey,
That- what
buddies.
is like in
Which one
another
of these
country
dogs
supposed
should
to
we
be?
get? Baby Dash is gonna absolutely
This
freak
and
out once we
this.
bring this
Also
into the house.
Milan.
He's gonna act like we're gonna get him. Looks like there's nobody working the pet store right now. You know what? It's fine. It doesn't run away. I think I know where I can find some
Tinake out ko yung
bones. They
tira niya
better be
kanina
running
eh.
some sort of special
Yung-
flavor or something. I hope that not all the hot dogs I
Ito,
had been in. It
yung
feels like
karagi
things would be
tsaka
in there.
rice.
Oh wait, these are the
Binigyan
waste
ako ng
products, which I guess
lalagyan.
mean that. Anyways, let's go over here and tame this dog
Oh,
up.
fish.
There we go.
Fish.
Oh yes, Baby Dash is gonna freak out when he finds. You can go the
Nice
extra
ba yung dog
mile. I've got
kanina?
a red flower, but now we need to go find a blue flower.
The
that
one
we
who's
can merge with
smelling
this
us,
one
the dog?
in order to make it so that we can get the color purple.
The dog, di ba you remember there was a dog kanina at the airport?
Well, why did
Just hope
they
that it doesn't destroy the
Destroy the house. What in the world are they doing
Didn't
over there?
smell you because
I mean,
you're a
even if it does,
baby.
hopefully that'll be
Babies
good,
don't
because maybe he'll notice us
hide
again.
anything
All of
bad.
this started when we were just playing a game of
Blue flower in here. I'm like 99% sure. Get around. Any blue
nice.
flowers? Hello? Oh, there's white ones over there. That is
Hindi ako
us the
nakadala
color that
ng
we need to-
kutsara
I need
ngayon.
blue
Very
flower.
wrong.
Where are the blue flowers at? I
Ayun,
like
mas
guarantee
marunong
you there's some in this
mag-chopstick.
forest. I've seen them before. I think they're like over here a little bit deeper in. We might also be
Let's
able to
just
use
buy
lapis as blue dye.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. There's some blue flower. Right where?
Yeah, I know. Hopefully this will get the job done, though.
Hey, wait.
Tell us that we exist, or else we're gonna kill you.
I can't believe they tried to kill it. I'm glad they didn't though, because I got to.
To do on adapted my math. Come see.
No!
I've been playing it for a long time now. I remember back in the day, I figured out how to like save my worlds on a USB drive, and then I must have put it on this thing, and now we've got it here. This is sick. Thanks for finding this, Baby Dash.
Wait.
And you really don't have to do that.
Here, let me take a look at the drive.
Hey, Ann, give me that thing back. No.
Ooh, okay. I think I can teleport us in here.
Do it. Guys, we really do not have to.
Come on, it'll just be for a sneak peek. We won't even break anything.
Yes, I want.
Hello, titigman ko to. Ohio pudding. Magkano ba to? Hindi ko alam eh. Uy. Uy. Ganda siya guys. Baka matapon pa. Uy, ganito. Hoy, ang sarap. Ang sarap nito. Babay mo na kakainin ko. Sarap talaga, promise. Try nyo to. Ohio! Hello guys, si Tasha ay atat gumala. Gusto ko pa sanang matulog siya. Gagala na daw siya. Ayan o, gagala. Pagdating namin naligo agad ako kasi feeling ko dumi-dumi ko sa pagbubuhat nitong Ayan na! Ayan na agad yung tower pala Paglabas lang ng hotel. Going up there? Huh? Okay. So we need to cross the street.
Michael Kors.
Yes.
Where's Michael?
Dito muna tayo tambay. Umuulan kasi.
There's vending machines. I mean that.
7 o'clock pa siya magsa-start. So we can sit here and wait. I don't know where to sit.
What's here?
It's closed. How about here? It stopped raining na. Oops, sorry. It stopped raining. Hello guys, nandito kami sa Mirai Tower. Kaya lang, nung pumasok kami, mga 6:32 ganyan. 7 o'clock pa daw start. So, intay muna kami dito. Nagpipicture sana kami dito sa labas, kaya lang, biglang umambon. So, tumakbo kami. Papasok. Ayan, ito yung mga dito, kaganapan. Ayan. Ito yung ilalim ng tower. Ayan. Tapos doon lang kami, doon lang yung hotel namin. Sa pagdiretso niyan, kanan, yun na. Ay, gusto mo Tasha mag-picture tayo sa Nagoya sign? Ay, mamaya, umuulan There's a picture area there. Hindi? O, sige. Okay, picture na tayo. Here. Tapos we'll go there sa may Nagoya sign.
Mommy, there's water.
Yeah, there's water nga. We're going up there later pag may may lights. So nandito kami ngayon sa may Oasis. 21 ba to? O kasi galing kami doon sa tower. Yun nga. 7 pa daw available yung ticket. Isip ko naman kung aakyat pa ba kami or picture-picture na lang kami sa labas. Baka mahal din yung entrance doon. Magpipicture-picture muna kami dito sa may Nagoya sign. Ayan. Yung nandun. Yun o, Nagoya sign. Sabi mo Dasha, welcome to Nagoya.
Welcome to Nagoya.
Later, pag nandun na tayo sa sign.
Welcome to Nagoya.
Ito kasi nakatulog to kanina. Nung sa plane, tsaka dun sa... Saan yun? Sa train. Oo, nakatulog siya. Ako hindi. Oh. Say mo. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Welcome to Nagoya.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Nagoya!
Mommy,
Yes.
let's go to a playing area.
Ha?
Let's go to a playing area.
Wala nga play area na. Ay, ang ganda ng sunset, oh. Look at the sun, no? It's pink.
Ano? How?
Diba?
How is it pink?
I don't know. And that one is lighting up. Diba? Ganda, oh. Stand ka dito. Picturean kita. 1, 2, 3. Ayaw mo na. Hello, guys. Wala kaming ibang option na kainan kasi umuulan. Medyo lumakas. Kanina ambon-ambon lang eh. Tapos ngayon lumakas yung ulan. Eh, wala kaming dalang payong kasi hindi naman namin akalain na uulan. Eh, ang gusto talaga ni Tasha yung Ikinari steak. 15 minutes walk from here. Tumingin kasi kami sa ABC Mart. Dito, malapit sa may Mitsukoshi na mall. Eh, wala palang pang bata
Want me to
doon.
make your avatar cool?
Yeah. Pang-adult lang yung mga nandun. So, ako lang yung nakabili. Mura lang ang nabili ko. Kasi pang palit ko lang dito sa 3 years old ko na sapatos. Parang sisipunin nga din ako kaya ayaw kong lumusob dun sa ulan eh. Ayan. Eto, chicken na naman ang in-order niya. Isa lang muna in-order ko kasi baka ayaw na naman niya. Tapos ako na naman kakain. Ito na yung order ni Tasha. O, chicken daw to. Salted chicken. Sana naman ay kainin niya. Paghihimay ko muna siya. May miso soup din na kasama. Yes, kasi parang sisipunin na ako eh. Tasha, kainin mo to. Oh, I think you're gonna like this. It's breast part. Ano kaya to?
Look. Let's look at this.
Mm-mm.
You like it?
Kain na. Ano kaya nilalagay dito sa cabbage? Yummy? Oh, press the ano.
今大会から導入されたハイドレーションブレイク。3分間の給水タイムが設けられ、戦術の確認や指示出しもできる重要な時間。日本、中村健人からディフェンダーの伊藤洋樹。
So guys, ito yung room namin dito sa Nagoya. Ayan. Ito cabinet to. Hindi na ako naka-room tour kasi pagod na pagod talaga ang first one. Bukas na lang. Dito may ref. Ito cabinet. Itong table and chairs, move ko yan kasi nga hindi namin ma-open yung itong luggage namin. Tapos ito, nandito sa baba yung kettle at mga tasa. Ito, buksan natin. Ayan. Daming tira ng anak ko. Mga piatos pagkain niya. Itong cabinet, tingnan nyo na. Ito may drawer, lalagyan na ng gamit. Ito. Ayan, ganyan siya. Tapos, ayan, makitid lang talaga yung walkway. Ayan, nakaharang yung maleta namin. Hindi ko kasi dinala yung isa kong maleta. Yung dala ko sa Busan. Kasi, yun yung top open. And top front open. Front. Basta yung isa lang yung bukas sa ibabaw. Hindi mo siya kailangan ibuka ng yung all the way na ganito. Mas maliit kasi yun. Baka marami akong bilhin dito. Kasi nga, bibili ako sapatos. Tiyisa kami. Tsaka kung ano-ano pa. Yung akin nga, nabili ko na eh. Nagmamadali pa nga ako kasi ito si Tasha. Ayaw niyang magtagal dun. Di ba pag pipili ka ng sapatos, gusto mo i-feel mo mabuti, kung komportable ka dun. Or kung pagod lang yung paa mo. Wala. Mamadali siya. Gusto niya kumain sa Ikenari Steak. 15 minutes walk siya from dun sa nandun kami. Umuulan. So, bukas na lang. Yun pa naman yung number 1 sa listahan niya. Eat steak. Pero yung tower, hindi na kami umakyat. Kasi nga, nung pumunta kami dun, hindi pa daw open. 7 pa daw mag-open. Pumunta kami sa Oasis. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon sa may ilaw-ilaw. Hindi kami nakaakyat. Pero nag-picture-picture kami doon sa may Nagoya signage. Baka sa ibang gabi, punta na lang kami doon sa Oasis. Dito na lang kami gagala sa Ang pupuntahan lang talaga namin na malayo yung Legoland. Yun lang kasi grabe talaga nakakapagod pala pag mag-isa ka. Itulak-tulak ko yung maleta. Tapos, yung ako din yung magtulak na stroller. Ay, grabe. Hindi ko makakalimutan tong araw na to. So, yung sa Naiya, easy round pa eh. Pero yung pagdating dito sa airport ng Nagoya, maraming lakad. Tapos, naglaro pa siya doon. Tapos, nag-navigate kami papunta doon sa Meitetsu Line, papuntang Kanayama. Ay, thank you, Doc Sammy. Lahat nung yung instructions mo, yung shinare mo sa vlog mo, yun yung ginawa ko. At nakarating kami dito ng safe sa hotel, sa Coco Hotel na nirecommend mo din. Ang ganda. Tsaka, tama ka. Kasi, andito naman na lahat ng kailangan mo. Tsaka, hindi siya kasing parang sikip nung apa. Hindi ko alam. Masikip to, pero parang okay na siya. Tsaka maganda. Tama ka din na Doc Sammy, yung luma siya tignan. I mean, luma yung design niya, pero well-maintained siya. Totoo. Kasi hindi mo makikita na dugyot siya. Hindi mo, even yung banyo, sobrang linis. Tsaka, may toothbrush, may toothpaste, may shampoo. Pakita ko na lang bukas. So, grabe, pagod na pagod talaga ako. Gusto ko lang magkwento kasi baka makalimutan ko. So, ayun, nakadalawang Family Mart na kami agad. Hindi pa kami nag-donkey. Yung ABC Mart na napuntahan namin, walang pang bata. Ang weird. So, ako lang yung nakabili. Pero yung anak kong lalaki, kasayis ko na yung paano na yun. Nagmamadali lang talaga to si Tasha, kaya hindi ako nakapili. Bukas na lang. So, ayun. Yun na nga, ta-update ko. Makakatulog na siguro ako. Good night, guys. And more chika na lang soon. Bye! Grabe, bes. Ano mo si Tasha? Sabi niya, this room looks like the 2000s. How do you know what it looks like? Yung mga rooms in the 2000s. This is like, it's like the 80s for me. The rooms here.
But this looks like the 20s.
What do you mean?
2000s.
Oh, 2000s pa din naman yan. 2026 ah.
Look.
I don't understand.
Because of the room color.
What's wrong with the color? It's beige.
Huh?
It's beige with
What's beige?
like cream. Ewan ko sa'yo, bata ka. Paano mo nalaman yung mga 2000 na room? Ano ka ba? Pinanganak ka ba kailan? Ha?